Hey, MTS crew, what's going on? Y'all, we're going to make some honey glazed salmon salad. Y'all, this salad is delicious. These are the items that I'm going to use: bell pepper, broccoli, artichoke heart, julienne carrots, tomatoes. This is going to be a very good and tasty, healthy salad that we're making today. So let's go ahead and get started. Here, here is the salmon. I took the skin off the back. We don't need that skin. We're gonna go ahead and cut this salmon up in kind of nice size cubes because we're gonna sear this on the stove. I have about 7 pieces of salmon, and it's not going to be flaky. I don't want it flaky. I want to leave it in these little squares, so we can fry it better. Or you can go ahead and fry it first and then cut it. But I think it's better if you go ahead and just cut it like this and then fry it. It'll stay together better. Okay. I have a whole lemon. We're going to squeeze this lemon over this salmon. I love lemon on everything, y'all, and especially on my fish. Let's get this lemon all mixed up and get that lemon flavor in the salmon. We're going to put about a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of ginger. Okay, let's and oh, paprika. We're gonna use that for basically for the color, and we're gonna go ahead and get all these seasonings incorporated. Okay, let's take it to the stove, y'all. Y'all, we have some grapeseed oil. I'm gonna put some grapeseed oil in my pan and just let it get hot. You don't want to burn your salmon. So you see how I'm putting like, 1 piece at a time. I don't want to just put a whole bunch of salmon in there because they won't brown like that. So I'm just putting 1 piece at a time, and I'm going to fry some now. And when I remove these, I'm going to go ahead and fry more. We want them golden brown, but not burnt. And we want them juicy, not dry. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and make this sauce. Honey, I would say maybe a half a cup of honey. And I already have some lemon juice in there. I love lemon, so I already have lemon juice and about maybe a tablespoon and a half of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of ginger. Y'all, fresh gingers are always best if you have it. 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's get that warm but not boiling. Just enough to melt the butter. Parsley flakes. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get this glaze over the salmon. Here are salmon bites. Y'all, this glaze is so delicious. You can go ahead and if you want to make more, just double what I just said, triple it. But this glaze is so delicious. It's sweet, but not too sweet. And the Worcestershire sauce take it to the next level so it don't let the sweetness overpower the sauce. And the ginger is delicious. But y'all, if y'all can get your hands on some fresh ginger, get you some fresh ginger. Okay, we have our salmon bites glazed, and I'm just sort of turning them over a little bit and trying not to break them apart too much because I want to keep them like they are in the little squares. And now we have some sauce left at the bottom. Y'all, I can't wait for y'all to see what I'm going to do with that sauce that's left. I'm going to use that. I'm not going to discard it. I am going to use that in the dressing for this salad. Oh, yes, I am. Honey glazed salmon. I'm squeezing some more lemon. Y'all, lemon, lemon, lemon. I love lemon. Lemon makes everything taste fresh. Let's go ahead and cut our vegetables up. And I'm cutting my purple onions, but I'm cutting them really thin and not thick. But you can chop them. So I'm cutting my bell peppers, all of my bell peppers up, and I'm going to cut those a little bit more, maybe in small squares. Artichoke hearts. Y'all, I love artichoke hearts. I love them in my salad. So I just take and just, it's kind of hard to slice an artichoke heart, especially the ones that's, because these were in water. But I'm going to just kind of cut them up a little bit, kind of break them up. And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to chop them up a little bit more. I love that vinegary taste that those artichoke hearts have. And my broccoli, I'm just cutting the stem off and kind of slicing it a couple of times. I want that broccoli to be chunky. I don't want to cut it up real fine. It all depends on what kind of salad I'm making. Sometimes if I'm making my black eyed pea salad, I'll go ahead and cut it up fine, which that's coming up next. Stay tuned. Okay. These are Roman tomatoes. They are kind of nice size Roman tomatoes. Okay, let's build our salad. Okay, we have that's 2 cans of um, dark red kidney beans. I love the kidney beans, y'all, in salads and soups. I just love them. I layered down my artichoke hearts, my broccoli, my red peppers. Y'all know red peppers are really sweet. I love red bell peppers, my green bell peppers, purple onion. You can cut those up a little bit more, but this is how I like them sliced thinly. And there's that tasty salmon. I'm breaking a little bit of it up, not that much. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what I did with the salmon after I finished cooking it. I kind of let it sit out, and then I put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to let it get completely cold. There's some more artichoke hearts. The remainder of those beans. I'm going to utilize all of my peppers and onions. We're going to pack this salad with good vegetables. Pack it, pack it. Now, this salad is going to serve about 6 people. This is a nice size bowl. See that glaze on that salmon? Don't it look delicious? It is too, y'all. Y'all know I already tasted. I'm just adding some more tomatoes. I had a lot of tomatoes left, so I'm just adding more tomatoes on there. Okay, we're gonna put some carrots. Those are julienne carrots. They are cut really, really fine. Those are good for stir frying too. There's our salad, y'all. Our honey glazed salmon salad. Delicious, healthy, and there's that sauce, y'all. There is that sauce, that topping is absolutely delicious. And y'all, the salad dressing. I had some Caesar salad. I love Caesar salad dressing. So what I did was, you remember that juice we had from the chicken, that sauce, that glazed sauce I made? You know what I did? I took and poured that inside of the Caesar salad dressing. Y'all, this is absolutely delicious. My husband loved it. My daughter loved it. This is really good. So you got to try it. I mean, you go ahead and just find out what your family like. Try different things, different recipes. When Mama T tried different things and it's good, I'm going to let you know about it. If it's not good, you will never know about it. So I'm telling y'all that this salad dressing is delicious with that glaze mixed in, and pour it over your salad. Y'all, this thing went to another level. Absolutely delicious, y'all. Absolutely delicious. So do me a favor, y'all, like, share, and subscribe this video. I really would appreciate it. Share me out if you don't mind. Share me out on your Facebook page. Share me out on your Instagram page. Share me out, and I'll appreciate it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'm going to be making some good salads. God bless.
Let's ride. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. You should take it right, cause I'm a big me. You should come subscribe to Mama T Speaks. Yeah. You should swing by, cause she do everything. She make them cake, she make them pie, she cook everything. Mama T, Mama T Speaks. 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 You should take the ride, cause I'm a big me. You should come subscribe to Mama T Speaks.